Adeline, can you say snow?
No!
There's nobody here. It's just these guys making a snowman. This is that park. There's the little jungle gym. And nobody's here. It's just lots of snow. And there's the park across the street. It's not open yet. Snow everywhere. There's our sled. Adeline and Daddy are making a snowman. Kind of like a lumpy snowman. He's got
It's hard. The snow is like this would be great skiing snow.
Yeah.
It's just powder. Sugar, baby, sugar.
Uh-oh, Adeline, you got a noodle. We got to get that. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.